Now let's look at what's happening in the Calcutta rape and murder story. Now the Calcutta High Court has ordered Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, former principal of RG Kar Hospital, to take an extended leave following the brutal rape and murder of a doctor on the campus. He was appointed as principal of Calcutta National Medical College within hours of his resignation. The court has also asked for the case diary by 1 p.m. in the RG Kar rape and murder case. Now, the court, while stating, said that if the principal has stepped down owing moral responsibility rather serious, that he is rewarded within 12 hours with another appointment. There is an apprehension that with lost time, there is something that will go wrong. Now, a two-member team from the National Commission for Women also visited the RG Kar Hospital. They met the family of the victim yesterday. Sample the reaction coming in.
अभी मैं अथॉरिटी से भी बात किया है, प्लस स्टूडेंट्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव से भी हमने बात किया है। तो उन्होंने जो डिमांड रखा है, अथॉरिटी ने कुछ समय मांगा है ताकि उनका डिमांड अथॉरिटी कंप्लीट कर पाए। तो आप लोग भी थोड़ा कोऑपरेट करें कि अथॉरिटी भी जो स्टूडेंट्स की डिमांड है वो लोग फुलफिल कर पाएंगे कुछ दिन में। और हमारे तरफ से हमने ये रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि जल्द से जल्द अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोसीजर ऑफ द लॉ ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन और जो इस केस से रिलेटेड है ये जल्द से जल्द कंप्लीट करें।
Now my colleague Saurabh Gupta will take us through what happened inside the court.
Well, there are a couple of big developments in the Calcutta High Court. One is the parents of the victim at the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, the second-year postgraduate student who was brutally raped and murdered. Her parents have moved the Calcutta High Court and have sought a court-monitored probe, which is different from a CBI probe, which has been sought in several other petitions, including one filed by the Leader of Opposition. Apart from that, what do we know? Well, what we also know is that the court has come down heavily on the reappointment of Sandeep Ghosh, who resigned as the principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital after students protested against what they call were comments that resulted in victim shaming. And he was reappointed as the principal of another reputed medical college and hospital. Now the Calcutta High Court has come down heavily on that. The Calcutta High Court said it was surprised that someone who owned moral responsibility and resigned was reappointed within hours. And therefore the court has asked him to go on long leave. The court has also asked his lawyer to produce his resignation letter and the reappointment document in court. The court has also asked the police to present case diary of this case at 1 p.m. The hearing will resume at 1 p.m. This is a batch of PILs that have been filed in the Calcutta High Court on this issue, and several other issues came up. In fact, the state lawyer has said and told the court that their investigation is completely transparent. They will file a report on every aspect of the investigation, including points that have been raised from the bar but were not necessarily in the petitions. The court has also asked all the petitioners, including the parents, to serve a copy to the state lawyer or the government pleader in this case, and therefore this is something that is going to be also playing out in the courts apart from the hospitals. And the court has very importantly made this statement that patients are suffering, hospital functionality has been affected, but one must take into view the viewpoints of doctors. A colleague of theirs has been brutally raped and killed. The state should engage in dialogue with them. One has to listen to what the doctors are saying, is what the Calcutta High Court has also said, while expressing concern over the effect on hospitals as a result of these strikes. But more importantly, the big breaking news out of the Calcutta High Court is that the case diary of this case has to be presented in court by 1 p.m. and the principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh, who resigned owning moral responsibility but was reappointed within hours, has now been asked to go on long leave by the court, and his lawyer has been asked to produce his resignation letter and the reappointment document immediately.